So, my girl, ndị Ezeji anọọma mgbe a mara eme ihe n'ahịa na family. A na-akpọ ya mgbajiri onye aka ọkụ. Kedu onye mgbajiri aka ya si aka ọkụ? Because Aguwa is the major ọkụ at that time. Alụkwara nwaanyị abụọ imekwara ọgọ mara jiri nye nkwụ ọ nara predicate on gbasara ịrụ ajụ. Bashikwe Nabi and then Mbaise on their own wisdom decided that MH or the central but rotational. Central but rotational. I got a local government by local government. To have sense of belonging. On here, one day, Ezeji on Ezeji, and when at their home, Ezeji then on our boat, when at their home, Ezeji then on our house. But we congregate at the platform of Ezeji. The whole year on the can do my thing. They can do. No, I be one. All the fear came around. You were Ezuruezu. About 1996, I was a member of the team that developed Ezuruezu, and we also agreed on the name. Because on auto dialect, Ezuruezu. That's how we have this. But I see no, Ezuruezu is not our dialect. I can be Ezuruezu and then be sound about it. I am mayor adopt. Their constitution pattern in there. Naikumaka was the chairman, the president of the first president of it. I was the legal advisor, and the first legal advisor for 8 good years, and a clan representative for 4 years. From there, I did work. We went to Naibon Wakam, Besley. Operation. Yeah, SNL, yes. Yeah, handler. So, yeah, handler, the local government as well as Nebasra villages. After night work, with my junior brother Dr. Keshwago, who served also for 8 years and who initiated that big central hall in the Ezuruezu. The other guy said to Cyril, Barrister Cyril Onyam from Sorry, Aguwa. So why am I pressing this history of these people is that what we have never had, what is now trying to play out from any of them. Onyeke Gawu, the president of the Ezuruezu now, I don't know from where they imported him to be the president of the Ezuruezu. Since 2 years over time, his whole attention, man, he was very difficult. He has tried to either sabotage or to make it the function of Ezuruezu. Ezuruezu is for development. Ezuruezu is to be the mouth of the entire Mbaise. Before government, before any district. Ezuruezu has nothing to do with Ezeji Mbaise. Now, they went and fraudulently used another name for the same 15th. They get Ezeji Mbaise as a cultural foundation. made us now. We cannot acquiesce to that. That's what we want to let you know. That the Ezuruezu cannot acquiesce.
Never.
Someone in the kind of area, next week, say, oh, the whole time. Because those people may now come and meet you and say, you know, if you see the list, they have about 6 or 7 different subcommittees. And then I think I was a chairman for this committee, that committee. Ultimately, they don't know. So we want to appeal to you that you have to stand fast